मेरा नाम सुषमा कुमारी गाबा है और मैं जनकपुरी की रहने वाली हूँ और मेरी एज इस समय 80 इयर्स की हूँ मैं।
So this octogenarian lady had come to us with a previous aortic valve replacement which was done surgically in 2019. And by this time the valve has degenerated and she was due for a spinal surgery which could have not been done, especially the anesthesia part, unless her valve is fixed. So a repeat surgery, an open heart surgery for this valve was ridden with a lot of risk in terms of comorbidities and her age. So we offered her the transcatheter technique of replacing this valve, that is TAVI or TAVR.
तो उन्होंने कहा कि TAVI प्रोसेस से ये हो सकता है क्योंकि हम वॉल के ऊपर ही वॉल फिट कर देते हैं। मैंने कहा डॉक्टर साहब मुझे ठीक कर दो बस, और कुछ नहीं है, जैसे मर्जी ठीक कर दो।
So we did replace this valve by transcatheter through the right groin. There were some challenges in her case because one of her left coronary artery was low and there was always a fear of occluding this artery when we were placing this new valve. So we had protected this coronary artery with a special technique. Luckily for us, we could do away without occluding this artery. The valve was nicely placed under local anesthesia. There was no general anesthesia used. There was no blood transfusion required. The whole procedure took about 40 minutes to do. And on third day, this patient is ready to go home and she is feeling very happy.
और ऑपरेशन होने के बाद परसों मेरा ऑपरेशन हुआ, कल मैं ICU में थी, आज मैं वार्ड में शिफ्ट हुई हूँ और मुझे बड़ा वीकनेस तो थोड़ा हो ही जाती है नेचुरली और मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, हल्का हल्कापन महसूस हो रहा है, खाने का भी मन कर रहा है। तो मैं तो डॉक्टर साहब की बड़ी शुक्रगुजार हूँ, अपने तहे दिल से उनका धन्यवाद करती हूँ।
So this technique has truly emerged as a boon for elderly population who are planned for aortic valve replacement, which is a very common disease at this age. And with this, we can prolong the real quality life in this elderly population.